Stepping into the digital revolution with the brand new RDH-16C from Rugged Radios. Hi, I'm Greg Cottrell. I'm the founder and president of Rugged Radios. And today, we've got the brand new RDH-16C Digital Handheld Radio. Digital is a much clearer signal. Every Rugged Handheld Digital comes with automatic error correction. What this does, this filters out static. This filters out background noise, so your voice is going to come through much clearer. Versus analog, when analog starts to fade, digital is loud and clear.
This is an analog transmission test. Rugged Radios. Work, race, play. The authority in communications. This is a digital transmission test. Rugged Radios. Work, race, play. The authority in communications.
The RDH-16C is 5 watts of power. This thing will go the distance. Standard features include 16 channels, lightweight, easy to use, lithium-ion battery, and guess what? Digital has 40% better battery life, so it's much more efficient. One other thing, all of our standard 2-pin accessories, so like our hand mics, every 2-pin that we have works with the RDH-16C. You want to plug in a car harness, you want to plug in a headset, hand mics, lapel mics, all the rugged accessories work with the RDH-16C. It also comes with a drop-in charger. So simply when you're done, drop it in the charger and charge it back up. Every radio comes programmed with digital and analog channels. What that allows you to do is you can speak in digital, but if you still have some analog radios, you can change to an analog channel and talk to the analog radios. Go to our website, ruggedradios.com, go up to the search bar, type in RDH-16C. That's going to pull up everything around the RDH-16C radio, individual radios, kits. So if you have a NASCAR, you have a circle track, you have a road racing, you have an off-road, you have a motorcycle, all the kits are going to come up. We have tons of kits and accessories around the RDH-16C. Hey, Rugged Radios, don't forget, like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and don't forget, sign up on our mailing list. Hey, Rugged Radios, work, race, play. This is why we are the authority in communications.